In this video, I briefly want to show you how the different UI parts are organized in the Parameter Morpher. At the top left, you will see several toggles named C, P, S, B, and E. C shows or hides the controllers. That is the first row at the top. P shows or hides the preset boxes. S stands for sliders or elements in general. It is enabled by default and shows all your parameters. Turning it off hides them, which saves processing power. This is especially important when performing, since drawing many UI elements can affect performance and you can drop frames. B reveals blending. When you enable blending, a new row appears with controls to manually mix between two presets. Choose preset 1 on the left, for example, and preset 2 on the right. Then enable blending and move the slider to move between those two states or to enable blending between those two states. It depends on what state you are currently in. If I move to preset number 2 or preset number 1, then I will say I want to blend between 1 and 2. Enable blending, and then I can do that. One note: if you trigger a preset that uses interpolation, blending will automatically turn off. That is because the morph prioritizes interpolation performance. So if that happens, simply enable blending to continue. Finally, there is the E button, which stands for Expert mode. This mode gives you access to deeper features intended for advanced users. Let me hide blending and show you what that reveals. You can explore this once you're more comfortable with Parameter Morpher. We will explore that in the next tutorial. One final and very important note. When performing, so once you have set all your parameters and presets, it is strongly advisable to hide everything except your presets for efficiency. That is what this Perform Mode button is for. Make sure you use this mode when you're ready to perform, since this will prevent you from dropping frames related to UI updates. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy my work and want to support future projects and access to all my tools, please consider subscribing on Patreon. It really helps keep creation and research going. You can also connect with me through my website, Instagram, or just drop me an email. I would love to hear from you. All links are in the description below. See you next time.